Who let the cats out? Man, man, mountain link. Who let the cats out? There it is. Probably be better to use some flux, but we're going to try it like this. See what happens. Got our piece of cardboard down in there. We'll be back at you. Might have should have used that flux, but I didn't have none to hand. I'm gonna have to wait. Kinda wanted to get this done. Haste might have cost me. We'll find out here in a minute. I do not know if it's ready or not, but I hope it is. Got some slag floating on top. That's why I kept waiting. Glad we started with so much. Oh man, that's pretty looking. Big dip in it. Smooth back. Lots of leftover clay. There she is in all her radiant glory. I do mean radiant glory. Brass right now, no telling what she's going to be when she gets finished up. Let's get her in the water. Probably not supposed to have that close to that map gas on there, but safety third. Forgive the mess, but I thought you'd want to see it fresh out of the water. And there's the piece of cat we got so far. Interesting looking banding. Don't know how that'll survive. I've seen things come out looking one way, and when you finish it, it looks a totally different way. But I've got a big chunk missing there, a little bit there, placed there. It's not perfect, but what is it they say? It is what it is. Yeah. I'm going to pour up a fresh batch. We don't want anything to go wrong. We did put it in vinegar and salt for about 3-4 hours out in the sun. These just came out of the shine bright for a second time. Ready to be stamped. Well, I made another melt with a bunch of copper, some brass shot, a whole bunch of that crappy flux I got, the laundry detergent additive, not the proper anhydrous borax. But we slung her in there anyway because we had a lot of buildup in that crucible. And the point was to clean the crucible. And we did that. I did that. So there's no point in wishing for anything more. But I did kind of hope this skull would turn out. What do you think, Dee?
So, yeah, that's not happening.
Yeah, I gotta agree with her. In a future episode of Man Mountain Link, we will finish off this money skull and get it ready for the auction. I'm not sure if we got this mentioned or not, but this particular YouTube bar right here is for Ant Order. Ant Order, you need to send me your address, manmountainlink@gmail.com. We're going to do a trade. Send me something good. We will see you next time. Appreciate you joining us.
Man Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.